Thank you for waiting and watching Chai Chat. We are back with the second segment where we are talking about what are we expecting from the Modi government, and here we come to the NRI issues. What do the NRIs or the people from the Indian and the South Asian diaspora living here expect from the Modi government? Because we have about approximately more or less 20 lakh Indians alone living here. So I'll start with you, Rani. You are a person of Indian origin, living here now, probably a British citizen. What do you expect?
I think the most important thing for Asians going from outside India is the whole minimization of government and red tape, bureaucracy. The whole damn shebang should be minimized, because it's a hangover from the colonial era, and it really does hinder
Bureaucracy. Cut down the bureaucracy, because we are fed up of the systems not being systematic.
I would like to see Modi government uniting India. First thing first, we are very embarrassed when they say untouchable. What is untouchable in India? That should be criminal offense to have Dalit and this and that. We are one India, one Indians, we are all the same, and anyone who try to think he is superior should be put in jail. 370 in Kashmir should be abolished. It should be part of India if it is a part of India. If it's not a part of India, then let it go separate. If it is a part of India, then every Indian state should have the same rule of law. People should have free movement of goods, services. So they develop. Bilkul, you see, I have 3 brothers in the army. They were fighting in Kashmir, but they said we are like a mercenary army. I said, what do you mean? He said, we will die for this land, but we cannot buy a land. We cannot buy a house here. So that is a very sad indictment system. You expect people to die for a country, but they have no right to live there. So that should be now completely, either Kashmir is a part of India, it should be given full equality movement that it developed with the rest of India. So number 3, when people are exporting from this country, for example, I'm an exporter, my shipments are delayed by a man with no vision. He does not realize that people first export. Japanese first exported cars to Britain. They test the market, then they put factories in this country. Honda, Nissan, Toyota, they have factories here. When will I put a factory in India if you don't even let me take a step 1? So we are penny wise, pound foolish. We have to really open the system, the free movement of goods, let the business come, let the competition come. Otherwise people have to find third-class Indian product at double the price.
I think we've come a long way, because if you look at, urban India, today there are cross-caste arranged marriages happening all the time. In fact, I have friends who are perhaps Bengali married to Punjabis through an arranged marriage portal. So there is a change.
I think it is being tackled, but if you look at here, we have a very strong class system, and we have right at the top of the Majesty's house, where Kate found it very difficult to get into the family because she was not royal blood. So,
but this class system in this country is very small. In India, it's 40% people. Very large scale. It matters.
It's a bigger country, Rami.
40% mean 400 million.
Yeah,
I have a point. My point is the visa process needs to be simplified. I'll give you a case. I know people who were waiting 6 months for a visa to India because the inquiry nahi aati. It's easier. One person said, Paji, I came to UK by foot from Moscow. 1 महीने में आ गया. अब इंडिया जाना है 6 महीने लग रहे हैं. और by plane नहीं जा सकता मैं. That is the reality. वो कहता मैं तुर के मॉस्को तो आ गया इंग्लैंड.
What is the one thing that should happen which will take you back to India? Will you go back to India? Huh?
Justice. If there is justice around the whole board and the legal system is sorted, then a person can think about going and investing there.
Same as Punjab. Stronger judicial system.
Stronger judicial system. Seti.
Same thing as stronger judicial system and good opportunity for the business also.
Okay.
But I don't want to leave India. I want to live in India.
You want to live in India? Why do you want to live in India?
Because I love my country.
Whatever it is, you love the country.
Well, that is my country. I born there.
So she will not leave India. That's fantastic.
I will not leave India.
I'm happy to go back even today, but the one point that I want to make is, while I'm I hope India becomes pro-business, I also want the socio-cultural development to go hand in hand for India to move with the time. So if I do go back, I'm not disconnected. There will be nobody telling me that sex education in school is not required. or something like that. I think there should be development, there should be holistic development, there should be socio-cultural development as well as business development.
ये जी वापस नहीं जाने वाली है जल्दी। ये बहुत टाइम लगने वाला है। ये डिसाइड कर लेंगे इन्होंने।
No, I'm ready to go to India, provided India has an infrastructure to provide us the facility which we are accustomed to now. We've been here 30, 40 years, so we have changed. But having said that, we can do much more for India. We can invest in India. We can put factories in India. We are much more ahead of our counterpart in India. But provided the system is user-friendly, it allows us to flourish. System. We need a system which is friendly for system.
System should work systematically. Is that
Well,
what it is?
that's the big thing actually, system, because 3 years ago
छोटा
सा ही बताने लगा एग्जांपल पर्सनल देने ना आप हमेशा एग्जांपल को बोलते हो my wife is she's born and brought up here and she was agreed to go back to India 3 to 4 years ago, but since all these things started happening, the rapes and all that stuff, and she knows now the system is not there, she's a bit more reluctant to go now. Even the day before yesterday I said to her, I said I'm going to go back for a year. She said, yeah, you go, I'm not going to go back.
तो फटाफट एक वोटिंग हो जाए कि इंडिया अगर आपकी विशेस ग्रांट हो जाए, all of you have your wishes granted, who will go back to India?
मैंने कहा था कि अब नहीं हो गई।
Are you going permanently, darling?
Permanently?
हाँ जी।
करो हाथ नीचे यार, करो हाथ नीचे। Permanently कह रही है हॉलिडे के लिए।
हाँ? वापस चले जाओगे? I'll hold you to it.
Yes.
The NRIs here are hopeful, but yet not right there. मतलब अंदर कुरेद के पता चलता है कि अभी पूरी तरह से satisfied नहीं है. And if satisfied also, not all of them are wanting to go back. We have only one Indian here who doesn't want to leave India though. So please don't leave us either. We're going to come back in the next segment with some chai chat recommendations and solutions for the Modi Sarkar. Stay with us.